Okay, ji. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing good. So in the last class, we started with different level of profits. So I had started in the last class different level of profits. So we discussed what was supernormal, normal, and subnormal profits or loss. We discussed four stages of profit: supernormal, normal, subnormal profit, and loss. Today we would be discussing last operating point, shutdown, and then we will be ending the chapter. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, so in the last class, we discussed that supernormal profit or abnormal profit is a stage where total revenue is greater than total cost, average revenue is greater than average cost, or price is greater than cost. So supernormal or abnormal profit is a stage where total revenue is greater than total cost, average revenue is greater than average cost, price is greater than cost. Okay. So when other firms will see that our business is earning supernormal or abnormal profit, when other businesses will see that our business is earning supernormal or abnormal profits, so motivate other firms this will motivate other firms and they will enter into the industry, which will increase supply of firms, which will cause market share to divide, and those firms which were earlier earning supernormal profits will now earn normal profits. जो फर्म्स पहले सुपर नॉर्मल कमाती थी अब वो नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स कमाएंगे. देन कम्स द सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ आवर प्रॉफिट, दैट इज नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. So basically, normal profit is a stage. Normal profit is a stage where total revenue is equal to total cost, or average revenue is equal to average cost, or price is equal to cost, which means normal profit is the level of profit which is enough to stay in the industry. Normal profit is the level of profit which is enough to stay in the industry, and it is a level of profit where cost is being covered, and profit is earned to stay in the industry, so which will attract other firms, which will cause again supply to increase, and again market share will divide. So those firms who were earlier earning normal profits, now they will earn subnormal profit or loss. So this subnormal profit or loss is the third stage. This is the third stage. So sir, what is subnormal profit or loss? Okay. So subnormal profit or loss is basically a stage where your total cost is greater than your total revenue, or your average cost is greater than your average revenue, or your cost is greater than your price. Okay, this is known as subnormal profit or loss. So subnormal profit or loss is a stage where total cost is greater than total revenue, average cost is greater than average revenue, and cost is greater than price, right? Cost is greater than price, right? Okay. So subnormal profit is a point where average variable cost is being covered, and some part some part of average fixed cost is not being covered. Okay, what did I tell you? That subnormal profit or loss is a stage where average variable cost is being covered, but average fixed cost का थोड़ा सा पार्ट कवर नहीं हो रहा. सर कितना पार्ट कवर नहीं हो रहा बेटा? इन दोनों के दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस है, इन दोनों के दरमियान जो एटीसी और एबीसी, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर एटीसी एंड एबीसी इज फिक्स कॉस्ट ना. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर एटीसी and ABC is average fixed cost na. So this area is being covered. This area is being covered, and this area of average fixed cost is uncovered. Okay. So this is what we did in the last class. Okay. Now the firms will still enter the industry. Now the firms will still enter the industry. Why they will still enter the industry? Because our average variable cost is being covered. They will still enter the industry. Why? Because our average variable cost is being covered. ओके राइट, वो अभी भी इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करेंगे बिकॉज एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कवर हो रही है, एवरेज फिक्स कॉस्ट भी कवर हो रही है, लेकिन उसका थोड़ा सा प्रोपोर्शन, अ स्मॉलर प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ एवरेज फिक्स कॉस्ट इज नॉट बीइंग कवर्ड. दैट इज योर लॉस एरिया बेसिकली ना. सो नाउ दी फर्म्स विल स्टिल एंटर अंटिल योर फिक्स कॉस्ट इज नॉट बीइंग कवर्ड. फर्म्स तब तक एंटर करती रहेंगी जब तक फिक्स कॉस्ट कवर ना हो. Firms will still enter into the industry until your fixed cost is not being covered. So now comes the last operating point. Okay. So now the last stage is, now our last stage is, now our last stage is last operating point. Last operating point is a stage where average variable cost is equal to price. Sir, how will you make the diagram? It's very easy, trust me. Okay, first we will make, no. First we will make two axes. First we will do the labeling. So the labeling is PCR, price cost revenue. And on the above axis, we will mark quantity. Okay. Okay. On the axis below, we will mark quantity. Now, if you guys remember perfect competition, Mr. Dart. Sir, what is Mr. Dart? Demand is equal to average revenue. Demand is equal to average revenue. Demand is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price. Sir, why have you written Mr. Dart? Why have you written demand is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price? Because in perfect competition, there is existence of perfect knowledge, so there is no price discrimination. Okay. Sir, this line is your marginal cost, right? Sir, this line is your marginal cost. This Nike sign is your marginal cost. This Nike sign is your marginal cost. This line is your average total cost. This line is your average total cost. And this line is your average variable cost. Sir, this line is your average variable cost. Okay. Sir, what is this line? This line is your average variable cost, right? This line is your average variable cost, right? Okay. This line is your average variable cost. Okay. This line is your average variable cost. So if you guys remember, मैंने आपको बताया था कि as your units will start to increase, your average fixed cost will start to spread over a large number of units. As your units increases, your average fixed cost will start to spread over a large number of units. That is why this gap is being reduced. That is the reason why this gap is being reduced as your unit increases. ये gap क्यों कम हो रहा है? क्योंकि जो एवरेज फिक्स कॉस्ट है वो यूनिट्स बढ़ते रहेंगे तो स्प्रेड होती रहेगी. ठीक है सर. ये ऑपरेट किधर करते हैं? these firm operate at profit maximizing level. Profit maximizing level is a point where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. So this is your profit maximizing point where MC is equal to MR, right? So from here we will get quantity and from the above axis we will get cost. Okay. Okay. So now you guys can see this is your cost and this is your quantity. Okay. So basically this whole area is your loss. This whole area is your loss or your uncovered part. Okay. So now tell me. Okay. Now tell me the areas, please. Your average total cost is from A till Q. Your average total cost is from A till Q, right? Am I right? Okay. Sir, your average variable cost is from E till Q, right? This is your average variable cost. Yes. And the difference between your ATC and ABC is your average fixed cost. The difference between your ATC and ABC is average fixed cost. Okay, so what's the covered area and what's the uncovered area? Your covered area is from E till Q and your uncovered area is from A till E, which means your average variable cost is being covered, but your entire average fixed cost is not being covered, right? So this is the last operating point. Firms won't enter now because your average fixed cost is not being covered. So then the last stage is your shutdown stage. Okay. So then your last stage is your shutdown stage. Okay. So sir, last operating point is a point where average cost is equal to your price, right? Okay. सही है? Okay. Now what is ATC? ATC is average total cost. Okay. If you remember, I told you that average cost is U-shaped because at the start we receive economies of scale and later on we receive diseconomies of scale. Okay. याद आ गया? Okay. Now going towards one more thing. Now we are going towards perfect competition and efficiency. Okay, so if you guys remember, so I told you that efficiency can be achieved in which at which stage? Efficiency can only be achieved at normal profit, stage of normal profit, which is in the long run. Na? Every firm earns normal profit in the long run. So here two efficiencies will be achieved. Here a firm will achieve two efficiencies. Here a firm will achieve two efficiencies. What two efficiency? A firm will be productively efficient, right? A firm will be productively efficient where your average total cost is at its minimum, right? At the stage of normal profit, your firm will be productively efficient because its average total cost will be at its minimum and will be allocatively efficient as well. सर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट वो स्टेज है जिसके ऊपर फर्म्स प्रोडक्टिवली भी एफिशिएंट होंगी और एलोकेटिवली भी एफिशिएंट होंगी. सर एलोकेटिव एफिशिएंसी is a point where marginal cost is equal to price. Okay, तो सर वो perfect competition and efficiency has a link. Yes, efficiency can be achieved in case of perfect competition in the stage of normal profit, which is in the long run, where a firm is both productively efficient and allocatively efficient. सर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट के स्टेज में जो कि लॉन्ग रन में होता है नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट उसी में ही एफिशिएंसी अचीव हो सकती है और ये वो पॉइंट है जहां पे फर्म प्रोडक्टिवली भी एफिशिएंट है और एलोकेटिवली भी एफिशिएंट है, राइट? सर व्हाट इज नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट? ओके, सो लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिवीजन अगेन. Sir, normal profit is a stage where total revenue is equal to total cost, where average revenue is equal to average cost, or your cost is equal to your price, right? Okay, now let's see the diagram. Okay, first we will make two axes, right? First we will make two axes, okay. Well, then we will do labeling. Okay, labeling हो गई. PCR, PCR, what is PCR? Price, cost and revenue. And this is your quantity, okay. This is price, cost, revenue. This is your quantity. Okay. So this line is demand is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price, right? This line is your marginal cost line and this line is your average total cost line, right? This line is your average total cost line. Now let me know, please. Please on the chat box, let me know where does a firm operate? What is the profit maximizing level of output? Profit maximizing level of output कौन सा पॉइंट होता है जरा जल्दी से बताइएगा. Profit maximizing level of output is a point where profit maximizing level of output profit maximizing level of output is a point where profit maximizing level is a point where MC is equal to MR, from where we will get quantity. Okay, so this is your cost and this is your price. Okay, so let me know your total cost and your total revenue are equal. So total cost would be OCEQ, total revenue would be OPEQ, right? So sir, you can see at this point, your average total cost is at its minimum, which means your firm is productively efficient. And at this point, your marginal cost is equal to your price. So your firm is productively, allocatively efficient, okay? So sir, there are how many stages of profits? Supernormal, normal, subnormal profit or loss, last operating point and shutdown. There are 5 stages. Supernormal or abnormal profit, normal profits, subnormal profit or loss, last operating point and shutdown. In these 5 stages, these all are short run stages except for one. Normal profit is a stage of long run, which means every firm will always earn normal profit in the long run. These all profits are short run. ये सारे प्रॉफिट शॉर्ट रन है. सुपर नॉर्मल शॉर्ट रन है, सब नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट और लॉस शॉर्ट रन है. लास्ट ऑपरेटिंग पे थोड़े टाइम तक ऑपरेट करेगी. या तो फर्म ग्रो करेगी या तो डिक्लाइन करेगी, या तो राइज होगी या तो डिक्लाइन होगी। बट नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट, हर फर्म लॉन्ग रन में नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट ही अर्न करती है। ओके, डू यू गाइज रिमेम्बर? ओके, नाउ द डायग्राम आई एम मेकिंग है ना, नाउ द डायग्राम आई एम मेकिंग is just in order to clear your concepts furthermore. This diagram is just to clear your concept. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. Okay, so first I will make three axes. Okay, okay, now listen to me very carefully. Okay, now first I'm gonna do the labeling. This is your price and this is your quantity. Again, this is P, C and R, price, cost, revenue. This is again your quantity. This is your price and this is your quantity. Okay, सही लेबलिंग हो गई। ओके, नाउ आई हैव मेड a normal demand and a normal supply curve. Okay, I have made a normal demand and a normal supply curve. Okay, so a point where your demand and your supply curve is equal, a point where your demand and your supply curve is equal. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Okay, so this is a demand curve, downward sloping. This is an upward sloping supply curve. This is your equilibrium. Okay, and this is your price and quantity. Any problem up till here? Okay, so this is your price, this is your quantity, this is your demand, and this is your supply, and this is your equilibrium. Okay, so in perfect competition, since the price is same, so I'm gonna take it horizontally. Okay, so in perfect competition, since your price is same, so this is demand is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue, right? Okay, and now let me know please. This is your marginal cost line. This is your marginal cost line, right? This is your marginal cost line, and this is your average total cost line. Is it clear up till here? Any problem up till here? Any problem? Let me know, please. No? Now, please let me know what is profit maximizing level of output. Profit maximizing level of output is a point where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. Okay, so this is your profit maximizing point. This is your profit maximizing point. From here, I am gonna get quantity. Okay, so this is our quantity. Okay, now let me know, please. Now let me know that when this is basically the stage of supernormal profit. ना ये supernormal profit का stage है, right? This is supernormal profit stage. When other firms will see that our firm is earning supernormal profit, so they will enter into the industry, which will increase supply and market share will get divided. Okay, so when supply will increase, so your supply curve will cause a rightward shift. Yeah, right. When your supply will increase, so your supply curve will cause a where shift. Your supply curve will cause the your supply curve will cause a rightward shift. Am I correct? Your supply curve will cause a rightward shift. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so when your supply will increase, so your supply curve will cause a rightward shift. Okay, so supply increase हो गई, your supply has increased, so your supply curve will cause a rightward shift. Sir, this is your new equilibrium. This is your new equilibrium. This is your new equilibrium. From here we will get new price. फ्रॉम हेयर वी विल गेट न्यू क्वांटिटी, राइट? सर ये न्यू इक्विलिब्रियम है, यहाँ से आ गई न्यू प्राइस और नीचे आ गई न्यू क्वांटिटी, ठीक कह रहा हूँ? यहाँ तक कोई मसला? एनी प्रॉब्लम अप टिल हेयर? Okay, so I hope no one has any problem till here. Okay, so your new demand and your new supply curve is equal at this point from where we will get new price and new quantity. So now this is your new curve, and this curve is known as demand is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue, new demand curve. This is your new demand curve. This is your new equilibrium, right? This is your new equilibrium. Am I correct? This is your new equilibrium. सही कह रहा हूँ? This is your new equilibrium. ओके, शुड आई गो फॉरवर्ड? आगे चलूं? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? दिस इज सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट, दिस इज नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट, राइट? ठीक है। नाउ फर्म्स विल सी दैट वी आर अर्निंग नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट। फर्म देखेगी अब हम नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कमा रहे हैं, सो मोर फर्म्स विल एंटर द इंडस्ट्री which will further increase your supply, which will further increase your supply. So your supply curve will again cause a rightward shift. So those who are earlier earning normal profit, now they will earn subnormal profit or loss. E is supernormal, E1 is normal profit. So now more firms will enter the industry. So now those who are earning super normal profit, now they will earn subnormal profit or loss. Now they will earn subnormal profit or loss. So now please let me know what is subnormal profit or loss. Subnormal profit or loss is a stage where subnormal profit or loss is a stage where what is happening? Subnormal profit is a stage where subnormal profit is a stage where average cost is greater than your average revenue. So this is now your average variable cost line, and this is your equilibrium, right? This is your equilibrium. Okay, this is your equilibrium. Am I correct? This is your equilibrium, right? Okay, this is your new equilibrium. So now if we join the 3 points, one is point A, one is point B, and one is point C. If we join these 3 points, so we will get an upward sloping supply curve. So if we join these 3 points, we will get an upward sloping supply curve. Okay. So you guys can see that your market share is being divided. Okay. So now let me show you a perfect diagram. Obviously, I do not have scale pencil. I'm using this pencil. So my diagram won't be perfect, but I can make a perfect diagram with scale pencil. Okay. So now let me show you the actual diagram. Okay. So now can you guys see this diagram? You guys can see actually that we were earning super normal profit. Then we earned normal profit. Then we earned subnormal profit or loss. Okay. So at this point, your total revenue is greater than total cost. At this point, your total revenue is equal to your total cost. At this point, your total cost is greater than your total revenue. Okay. So you guys can see as your supply increases, your market share gets divided. Those who were earlier earning super normal, now they will earn normal profit, then subnormal profit or loss. Clear? Okay. Now please read this for me. Please read this for me. Hanji, is it clear? Yes, guys. Okay, so your first stage was okay. So your first stage was सुपर नॉर्मल और abnormal profits, right? Okay. So how to make the diagram? We are just having a quick diagram revision. Okay. So we can recall the topic again. So these are two axes, price, cost, revenue, and this is your quantity, right? These are two axes. This is Mr. Dart. Sir, why we had made Mr. Dart? Because your demand is equal to your marginal revenue is equal to your price. Because why? Just because we are studying perfect market structure where there is existence of perfect knowledge, so there is no price discrimination. That is why your price is equal to your average revenue and your marginal revenue. Okay, so now this is your average total cost curve, and in at super we operate at प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजिंग लेवल, हम लोग ऑपरेट करते हैं प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजिंग लेवल पे, जो कि एमसीसी इक्वल टू एमआर है, ये वाला लेवल है। यहाँ से नीचे आ जाएगी क्वांटिटी और ऊपर आ जाएगी प्राइस। ठीक है, तो अब मुझे बताएं, ये जरा हो गया कॉस्ट की लाइन, ये हो गया, ये कॉस्ट की लाइन हो गई, और ये सारा आपका क्या होगा, ये सारा का सारा आपका, ये सारा का सारा आपका क्या है, ये सारा का सारा आपका सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट है। ये क्या है आपका, ये आपका सुपर नॉर्मल और एबनॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स है। तो यू गाइस कैन सी at supernormal profit your total revenue is greater than your total cost, your average revenue is greater than your average cost, your price is greater than your cost। ऐसा ही है, ठीक कह रहा हूँ? तो आई होप the diagram of supernormal profit is clear to you. Now the next stage is normal profits. Okay, sir, next stage is normal profit, right? Okay, so at normal profit is a stage where your cost is equal to your price. Normal profit is a stage where your cost is equal to your price. So you guys can see a point where your marginal cost is equal to your marginal revenue. At this point, you guys can see that your cost is equal to your price. You guys can see that your cost is equal to your price. At this point, your total cost is equal to your total revenue. आपका एवरेज कॉस्ट आपकी एवरेज रेवेन्यू के इक्वल है. Your cost is equal to your price, and at this point, firm is allocatively efficient because marginal cost is equal to your price. At this point, firm is productively efficient because your average total cost is at its minimum. Okay. Then comes the next stage. Your next stage is subnormal profits. Your next stage is subnormal profits or loss. Okay. Sir, what is subnormal profit or loss? Subnormal profit or loss. Okay. This is subnormal profit or loss. Subnormal profit or loss is a point. What is subnormal profit? Subnormal profit or loss is a point where your total cost is greater than your total revenue, your average cost is greater than your average revenue, your cost is greater than your price, and your average variable cost is being covered, and average fixed cost 80% is being covered and 20% is uncovered. Basically, आप यूं याद रख लें, ठीक है? So, sir, we operate at profit maximizing level, which is a point where marginal cost is equal to your marginal revenue, from where we will get cost and from where we will get price. Okay. So this is your cost line. This is your cost line, and the point where it is intersecting from the demand curve is your price line. Okay. So as you guys can see, this all is your loss area. This all is your loss area. So I hope this is also clear to you. Then comes the last stage, and your last stage is last operating point. Then comes our last stage, and our last stage is last operating point. Okay. Sir, what is last operating point? We just did it right now. That last operating point is a point where your average variable cost is equal to your price. Na? Last operating point is a point where your average variable cost is equal to your price. Sir, last operating point वो point है जहाँ पे average variable cost और प्राइस इक्वल होगी, तो ये है एम सी इजिकल टू एम आर। यहाँ से आ जाएगी कॉस्ट और ये आ जाएगी प्राइस। ठीक है, सही। सो अगेन दिस इज योर अनकवर्ड कॉस्ट और योर लॉस एरिया। Is this clear? So we did a quick revision of the whole topic. I hope this perfect market structure is clear to you. We had done this whole topic in quite detail. So is it clear? Do you guys have any problem? Even I made the four graphs again at the end. Okay जी, थैंक यू सो मच। जिस जिसको क्लियर है वो चैट बॉक्स पे थम्स अप लिख दे।